Bar-i Pro Lite adds advanced analytics to the world's fastest, most accurate bar inventory counting system, allowing you to increase your bar's profits by 30%. We integrate with more than 40 point-of-sale systems and allow you to write custom recipes for every button in your system so you can precisely compare what you sell versus pour in real life down to the tenth of an ounce. The accountability workflow reconciles your invoices and sales precisely so you can drill down to the performance of every product at your bar and calculate item level variances. This provides a powerful tool to eliminate losses, decrease costs, and increase profits. Our data visualizations unlock powerful insights into what products you have on hand, how your sales volume is evolving over time, your liquor costs, as well as pinpointing your overall accountability score and losses so you can optimize your business. Bar-i's ordering system allows you to place orders in a few steps according to intelligent par levels. Orders are submitted to your distributors instantly via email. The headline features of Bar-i Pro Lite build on the features of Bar-i Speed Count. These include shelf-to-sheet counting at a rate of 2 seconds per item, barcode-based setup using existing manufacturer barcodes, precise weight-based measurement of partial items, sharing of counts between employees, custom items such as batches and infusions, and exporting of counts to Excel and leading accounting platforms like Restaurant 365. Bar-i Pro Lite provides our highest level of reporting in an affordable self-service package so you can stop tenthing bottles and make counting count. Thanks for watching.